Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 36. This question is from GATE 2017 examination. Let us read the question. The figure below shows the circuit diagram of a controlled rectifier supplied from a 230 volt 50 Hz single phase voltage source and a 10:1 ideal transformer. Assume that all devices are ideal. The firing angle of the thyristors T1 and T2 are 90° and 270° respectively, and they have given it is a half controlled converter, right, or it is also known as a semi converter, right, symmetrical type half controlled rectifier. Okay, T1 D1 T2 D2, and here it is the D3. The RMS value of current through the diode D3 in amperes is very simple question, right? So here the load is purely resistive. If the load is purely resistive, whether the freewheeling diode is required? No, right? So suppose from alpha to pi T1 D2 conducts. At that time the current will be flowing through the load, right? From source towards T1 load D2 and again back to the supply. Current will be flowing. Okay. Next, after that from pi to pi plus alpha, circuit will be at the rest position, so current will not be flowing through the diode. Okay, so please be careful for R load. For R load, right, no functioning, there is a no functioning of freewheeling diode, no functioning of freewheeling diode. Okay, so therefore D3 does not function. Okay, there is a no functioning of the D3 also. D3 does not function. Okay, so therefore we can write id3 is equal to 0 ampere, as current is not flowing through the diode, so therefore the RMS value will be equal to 0 ampere only, equal to 0 ampere. Is this clear? Very simple question. Only thing is they have just put a googly like here. Okay, means they have given everything. Okay, and if someone solves it like by considering the RL load, okay, and it is a freewheeling diode, right, the answer will not be correct. Okay, because the load is R load, so therefore the current flowing will be 0, right, because for all the time this D3 will be in the reverse bias mode only. Okay, so this is about the question number 36. This question is from GATE 2017 examination. In the next video we will discuss the question number 37. Thank you.